Hello, I'm Yuto, and today on Stachi I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing and easy Zaru Udon with homemade dipping sauce. Let's get straight to it. Start by pouring 100 ml of dashi into a saucepan and then add 20 ml of soy sauce and 20 ml of mirin. Bring it to a boil over medium heat and let it bubble for about 1 minute. This is just to burn off the alcohol in the mirin. If you use a shiitake or kombu dashi in here, you can easily adopt this recipe for plant-based diet. After a minute, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, mix it until dissolved. And that's it. To help it cool faster, I'm going to transfer it to a heat-proof jug. Once it's cooled to the touch, cover it and store it in the fridge until it's time to serve. Next, I've got my freshly cooked udon noodles. Cooking times vary depending on whether you're using dried, chilled or frozen udon, so follow the instructions on the packaging. Once they're cooked, drain them and rinse with cold water to help cool them quickly. Adding a few ice cubes will help make them extra cold. Finally, we're going to prepare some extra ingredients mixed in with the dipping sauce. I'm going to start by grating some fresh ginger using this Japanese style grater. Japanese graters will make it very fine, but if you don't have one, you could try using a mini grater instead. Once you have about a teaspoon worth, spoon it onto a small plate along with some wasabi. Finely chopped green onion. Each serving should have its own little plate of ingredients like this, so that everyone can customize their sauce the way they like it. Take the chilled sauce from the fridge and pour it into individual dipping cups. Now we're ready to serve. Place the udon on a bamboo tray with a plate underneath to catch any dipping water. If you don't have one, you can use a bamboo sushi mat or even just a colander. Sprinkle the top with nori and serve. This dish goes great with tempura too. To eat it, mix your choice of ingredients into the sauce. Dip the noodles in and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more about this recipe, check out my blog. The link is in the description below. Have a great day.